Hey guys, Mike Tang here, back in the live trading video. Today is going to be a trading recap on none of the trades that I took today because um, the market didn't really give me any good setups for look at, and I'll kind of explain what I was thinking about today. So pre-market, as usual, we look at the QQQ first. QQQ traded within this range right at the market open, kind of broke above for a little bit, above these lines that I so. Right at market open, it broke, kind of just consolidated within this level here, broke up for a little bit of time, pulled right on back up, right on back down. I actually was looking for a continuation play for the upside, but it just didn't hold, so I didn't get into the trade. Pulled back down to the moving average. I wasn't going to take a bounce. Really, I'd only be interested on the downside of it level and then held below. Didn't happen. Went back up again, held above, same thing, did not break out. It broke above, held. This candle did not go and break above. Once again, I didn't get in. Same thing one more time here, held. This candle you technically could have got into, but I don't know. I think I remember watching it and it was just super didn't feel comfortable. To be honest, and it didn't really go anywhere in hindsight. Same thing, pulled back to the level. At this point, it was under the moving averages, so I didn't feel comfortable taking the bounce and coming back up. It just kind of chopped around the entire day here. And so I didn't feel comfortable about it. And the other thing, too, is I was thinking about if I took this trade up here, let's say it did have a continuation, I'd be targeting for this spot here. And personally, I don't think the risk is worth it. So if I got in, say, here, that's if I got in here, it would be here, whereas I'd have to put my stop loss essentially. Didn't think that. Likewise here, we actually might have a setup here right now, but it's I just don't feel that comfortable about it. And at this point, it seems like I'm kind of trying to not the cleanest setup. You know what I mean? Pull down, put back up, down, pull back. So yes, it can continue going down. And then we'll look at SPY. SPY actually did have like same thing. It broke up, held above for a little bit, and then broke all the way down. Same thing again, broke all the way back down. And then I was actually getting pretty convinced that it was going to break up for the buy. So I was considering a buying early, but I said no. I firm to make sure that it breaks above before I get in. In this case, obviously, it did not. And the part of the reason why I don't look at it that way is because when it breaks up and it just wicks to the top, I personally don't like to get into those type of trades because that means like some of the people who want to take profit, they're already profit, and this is just like a good. Personally, I like seeing something like this, maybe one candle here, and then on the second candle, buy it upside. That didn't happen clearly. Slowly grind it out. I was watching the entire time. Maybe it broke above and held for buy. Didn't do it. Came down to this level. The reason I didn't take this trade is once again it broke down. Fantastic. It held below the level, but then it wicked down and then it wicked down again. I didn't like it. I thought it was too sloppy of a setup for take the trade. It ended up breaking down, but I had no setup. Right, there's nothing here for me to get in. Came back, same thing here. I was looking for a setup, maybe a consolidation here for break below. Didn't happen. Broke, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then finally broke here. This was a nice consolidation here, but once again, it wicked down. So I didn't feel comfortable about it. It consolidated and it broke down again, and now it's doing continuation. But either way, I didn't like any of the setups. They were not comfortable for me, so I didn't take any trades. At this point. And then now it's pretty much at a level where I would be taking profit anyway. At this point, it could either bounce or it can keep going down. I don't know. So because I was so unsure, I didn't take any trades, and sometimes that's just what it is. You gotta be patient and make do instead of trying. But anyways, hopefully you guys like this kind of video, a recap video instead of just purely trading. Sometimes trading is not always just trade every day. you try to make a trade if it's there, but I could also catch myself getting irritated and just trying to force a trade on any of these situations. It just wasn't there. I feel happy about that. But this discipline needs to be maintained every single day, day in and day out. Otherwise, all it takes is just one loss and you take the L. So, yeah, if you guys like this kind of video, consider leaving a like on the video. And then consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. All right, thanks, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.